In this lecture, we will learn how to get data sets for machine learning and popular sources for machine learning data sets. So, the key to success in the field of machine learning or to become a great data scientist is to practice with different types of data sets, but discovering a suitable data set for each kind of machine learning project is a difficult task. So in this video we will provide the detail of the source from where you can easily get the data source and data set according to your project. So before knowing the sources of the machine learning data sets, let's discuss about what is data set and details of data sets. So a data set is a collection of data in which data is arranged in some order, and we can say a data set can contain any data from a series of an array to a database table. And a tabular dataset can be understood as a database table or matrix where each column corresponds to a particular variable and each row corresponds to a field of the data. And the most supported file type of a tabular dataset is CSV file, as known as comma separated file. But to store a tree like data, we can use the JSON file. This is more effectively and efficiently for this purpose. Then there are three main types of data in data sets: numerical data, such as house price, temperature, etc., and categorical data such as yes, no, true, false, blue, green, and etc. And ordinal data. These data are similar to categorical data but can be measured on the basis of comparison. But remember, a real world dataset is of huge size, which is difficult to manage and process at the initial level. So, therefore, to practice machine learning algorithms, we can use any dummy datasets which is available uh, of many websites in open source. Now, to work with machine learning project, we need a huge amount of data, because without the data, one cannot train machine learning or AI model. And collecting and preparing the data set is one of the most crucial part while creating an machine learning or AI object or project. So the technology applied behind any machine learning project cannot work properly if the data set is not well and pre-processed. So during the development of the machine learning project, the developers completely rely on the data sets and in building machine learning applications. And we can say data sets are divided into two main parts: training data set and test data set. And also remember that the data sets are large size, so to download these all data sets, you must have fast internet on your computer, otherwise you have to use just dummy data sets for this purpose. Now, popular sources for machine learning data sets. One of most popular dataset source is Kaggle. Basically, Kaggle is one of the best source for providing the datasets for data scientists and machine learners, and it allows users to find, download, and publish dataset in an easy way. It also provides the opportunities to work with other machine learning engineers, but and also solve the difficult data science related tasks and etc. But Kaggle provides a high quality data set in different format that we can easily find and download. So the link for the Kaggle dataset is simply www.kaggle.com/datasets. Second source is UCI Machine Learning Repository. It is again one of the great source of machine learning dataset, and this repository contains databases, domain theories, and data generators, and data widely used by machine learning community for the analysis of machine learning algorithms. And since the year of 1987, it has been widely used for students and professors and researchers as a primary source of machine learning dataset, and it also classifies the datasets as per problem and task of machine learning, such as regression, classification, clustering, and etc. So it also contains some of the popular datasets such as Irish dataset, car evaluation datasets, poker hand datasets, and etc. Also, we have datasets using AWS. We can search, download, access, and share the datasets that are publicly available in AWS resources. And these all datasets can be accessed with AWS resources, but provided and maintained by different government organizations, researchers, businessmen, and individuals. So anyone can analyze and build various services using the shared data with AWS resources, and the shared data set on cloud helps user to spend more time on data analysis rather than on other some platforms of data. And this source provides the various types of data sets with examples and ways to use the data sets, and it also provides the search box using which can we can search for the required data set. Anyone can add any data set or example to the registry of open data on the AWS. Also, we have Google Dataset Search Engine. It is a basically search engine launched by Google on most probably 2018 or later. And this source helps researchers to get online datasets that are freely available for use. Also, we have Microsoft datasets, and the Microsoft has launched Microsoft Research Open Data Repository with the collection of free datasets in various areas such as NLP, such as CV, computer vision, and also domain specific sciences and other some kind of areas. So using this repository or using this resource, we can download the datasets to use on the current device, or we can also directly use it on the cloud infrastructure. Now, awesome public datasets creation. It provides the high quality dataset that are arranged in a well organized manner within a list according to topics such as agriculture, biology, climate, complex networks, and etc. And most of datasets are available free, but some may not. So it is better to check the license before downloading the dataset. And you can also get this dataset repository from GitHub from Awesome Data. Also, we have computer vision datasets that basically visual data provides multiple number of the great dataset that are specific to computer vision, such as image classification, video classification, image segmentation, and many more. So therefore, if you want to build a project on deep learning or image processing or computer vision, then you can refer to this source. Also, we have scikit-learn repository. This is again a great source for machine learning enthusiasts, and this source provide both toy and real world data sets. These data sets can be obtained from the number of Python packages and using general datasets APIs, but the toy datasets available on this library can be loaded using some uh, predefined functions such as load boosting, such as load iris, and etc. Rather than importing any file from external sources, but these data sets are not suitable for real world applications.